Alright, gonna pop this open real quick. I'm in a hurry. I'll take it later and get some good pictures, but this just came in. I traded away my nicest watch to get this, along with another watch. Traded away my ball, which is Fireman Victory, and a Sugess, one of those cheap Chinese chronographs. Like this. Oris. This will be my first Oris. Paper. That's like the internet web receipt from when the guy bought it. I'm going to do all that right now because I just want to, oops, open it up and see what it looks like. That looks sick. I'll get some more shots and some better light in a bit here. Yeah, I really like this watch quite a bit. I'm really glad I did the trade, and hopefully I keep it for a while, but I am prone to trading things off. Thank you, Don.